In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Instagram account is permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Instagram account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com/support and click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your account. Click on the first option. Then scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that your Instagram account was deleted and now you want to recover it. Or you can just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. I'll put the paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, don't forget to write the username of the Instagram account that you're trying to recover. Once you have done that, tap on submit. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.